Good evening, everyone. In today's scenario, open source intelligence has become very, very pricey. Everyone is looking for some kind of valuable information available over the internet using multiple resources. One of such resource oblique tool is Shodan search engine, which I'll make a mention today. It's a very powerful tool being utilized extensively across the domain. As you log in, you get the dashboard. As you can see on the screen, there are two ways of logging in, free of cost and definitely the paid version. For learning purpose, free of cost version does enough. The best part about Shodan search engine is it provides you a kind of detailed filter cheat sheets which you can utilize to list all the devices which are online connected. So how it functions is it lists all the devices based on their IPs. For example, if I want to see camera, so I'll use a tag cam and I'll search. It'll list all the cameras which are online. So if you see, the total results are 1,07,738. At times you may find that cam tag may not find any of the devices, then you need to change the tag. You may be required to write camera in full caps oblique small caps sometime. Now how we can use different tags and filters. For example, I want all the cameras which are not using any kind of credentials, oblique Shodan is able to capture their screenshot. So if I go to cheat sheet and I expand it, you will see there is has screenshot filter available. So I'll use this filter and set the flag true. So if I say cam which has got screenshot flag as true, so what it does, it'll list all the cameras which the Shodan has been able to capture with the screenshot. So here we get a list of 1802 cameras which has got screenshots true. And if I want to see any of these cameras, these may be open, they may be using passwords sometime. Let's see what all cameras have come. If I remove the cam tag, if I remove the cam tag, now I'll be able to see so many devices which are online and screenshot of which is available to Shodan search engine. So here is one of the camera. So it's probably of some kitchenette. So if I try to open it, let's see whether it has login credentials or not. So by the time it opens up, we'll learn more about Shodan search engine functionality. On the left panel, you see it tells you the location, city, and if you're using paid version, you can in fact locate the particular device on map exactly. You can also view the raw data. So for that you require again membership. So by using raw data, you'll be able to see all the details which are important for further enumeration. Okay, at times you may find that you want to avoid all those machines, a particular port. Let's say I want only those devices which have got screenshot flag as true. And if I don't use a cam tag word, it will list so many devices. It will list all the PCs as well. But I don't want PCs to be listed. So to avoid that, I can avoid particular port. This PC is providing me remote access. So I don't want remote access to be used. So you use minus for avoiding or excluding that particular port. Since remote access is being provided by 3389 port, so I have excluded. So this particular filter says that I want all the devices which have got screenshot flag as true and exclude port 3389. So you'll be able to see. If we try to access any of these feeds, if they're not using login credentials, we'll be able to see their feeds. So if you see, I tried logging into one of the device, and if I click on admin viewer, your web browser is not supported kind of thing comes. So particularly it's open. If I try this particular device in other web browsers, I'll be able to open this camera. Let's say I try in Firefox. So I should be able to see what is happening over here. So these are the basic things we can do using Shodan search engine. This webcam, if it opens up, it provides you all the details. You can watch continuously. There are a number of webcams available open. Let's see whether we've been able to find anything out of it. No, nothing till now. So this is for education purposes now. So using all these flags, you can create wonders. You can get a lot of information. We'll dwell more into that in coming videos. For now, stay tuned. Bye bye.